If your Ford Ranger turns the key but stays silent, follow these 5 steps to find the real culprit. Statistically, 70% of no-start issues on these trucks are just simple electrical connection faults. Let us break down the diagnostic process into manageable steps. Start by checking your battery voltage, cleaning the terminals, inspecting your grounds, and testing the neutral safety switch. Common culprits include a failed starter solenoid, corroded battery cables, or a failing ignition switch. If it cranks but won't start, check your fuel pump relay, the inertia switch, or the crank position sensor. You can handle minor electrical repairs yourself, but major component replacements are best left to a professional. Battery and cable issues remain the most frequent cause of no-start conditions in the Ford Ranger platform. Use a multimeter for voltage drop tests and an OBD-I scanner to pull any hidden error codes. Always keep a basic socket set, wire brush, and dielectric grease in your truck for these common repairs. Remember, never bypass safety systems like the neutral safety switch permanently, as it is a major hazard. Subscribe for more Ford Ranger troubleshooting guides and keep your truck on the road longer.